All right, let's figure out. Yeah, I mean, something like that. Let's work out where we're going to do this first. It would almost be nice to have it come off so we're not fucking anywhere near anybody's shit, right? Straighten up. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Perfect. She's a little heavy for this truck.
She squat pretty good?
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah.
Well, no, I guess it's not a good idea. I was thinking about if we were to hook onto the front.
You could drive the trailer out from underneath it.
Or like drag the front end just a little bit so that it's square, but no.
It'll come off. Like, you know, like gravity will help. You just gotta, you know, little right hand down. Doesn't matter if it's not 100% on the ramps. It's just to keep that front up while we come down, you know. It should be fine, dude. We can fix anything if not. Let's get this thing hooked up while I'm here. And
Oh, yeah, I'll just set you in.
I don't know how long this chain is. I might need to come a bit closer. Or grab another one even. But yeah, the longer distance we got, the less likely we are to crash anything. So.
Right on.
You want us to hook this one up to that one? Or I guess
Yeah, I mean, we got plenty of room to go back. Not really ideal, but it'll work. We're not doing anything heavy.
what do you want to do though?
That'll work. It's not, you know, we're not pulling anything heavy at all, so just jump on in the truck.
You got your GoPro on?
Yep, just in case. Yeah, you did, Jim. Perfect, buddy. That was perfect. Awesome work, dude.
Nice, I didn't do much.
No,
Steady, steady.
no, that's awesome. Shell. Yeah, take that one, and I'll just probably drag that just ever so slightly back towards there. In a second, I'll get you to jump back in it. But yeah, that was nice and smooth, decent. Just so much easier if you can see what you're doing. Yeah, so much safer. Yeah.